Ever wonder if your private browsing is really private? Let's dive into how to completely wipe your incognito history in Google Chrome. The first thing to understand is that incognito mode doesn't save your browsing history, cookies, site data, or information entered in forms directly within the incognito window itself after you close it. So, if you close the window, you're already in pretty good shape. But let's double check and cover a few potential loopholes. Open your regular Chrome browser and look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. This is your Chrome menu. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, look for Privacy and Security. On the left-hand side, click on it. In the Privacy and Security section, you'll see Clear Browsing Data. Go ahead and click on that. A pop-up window will appear. Make sure you're on the Basic tab. This allows you to control what is deleted from Chrome. Now, click on the Advanced tab here. You have more control over what you want to delete. Make sure the time range is set to all time. This is crucial to remove any cached data. Now, make sure all the boxes are checked, including browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and so on. These are all the things you want to make sure are deleted. Finally, click the Clear Data button in the bottom right corner. Chrome will then start clearing all the selected data. And that's it. By following these steps, you've ensured that any potentially stored data from your incognito sessions is completely removed. Keep your browsing truly private and stay secure online. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more privacy tips and Chrome tricks.